Hi, everybody. It's great to be back in Fukuoka.
So we built Midnight not as another token, not as another ecosystem, but to be a layer 2 to everyone. We built Midnight to be equally useful to Cardano as it is Ethereum and Bitcoin and all these other systems. So another big part of the Midnight project is not just about creating a system for everyone, but then also creating a universal wallet layer for everyone, a universal identity layer, and to make it super simple.
How important this is, you have to keep in mind that this technology that we've been talking about, zero-knowledge cryptography, privacy, are not new concepts. People have been talking about this for decades, even before blockchains existed. And so for Midnight, we don't want it to just be a technology project. We don't want to just bring this new, better version of what's existed in the past. We want to bring it to the billions of people across the world.
And that is what Midnight does. By adding privacy, you have an entirely new dimension to build applications into and think about. And to be able to build all that on a foundation so strong that it never fails. It always runs right the first time, every time. That's what makes us different. We haven't lost any of our luster, and we haven't lost any of our enthusiasm. And as you can see with things like Midnight, we still have innovation to do. So the future is going to be decentralized. Thank you, Fukuoka, for coming. It was our honor and our great pleasure. Arigatou gozaimasu.